All right, guys and girls, good evening. I'm back with you tonight. I feel like it's time to make a video for you all. I know it's been a while. I've been away. I'm going through some personal stuff. Just not in the mood of making any videos. My apologies for lack of producing. Um, Obviously, today we had a big day in the market, big wet day, right? So where do we go from here? So without further ado, let's get to my video. All right. Before we do that, don't forget to subscribe. Still, I know I'm lack of producing. I'm a trader, not a YouTuber, so I ask for your forgiveness, right? But still, I try to update you whenever I feel like it. Because I think it's very important for you to follow my channel and protect your investment. Okay. All right. So let's get to my video. So as usual, I have my ES pulled up. Today we have had a big down day. I'm just gonna go off the top of my head and just probably top randomly. Okay, so I'm looking at the weekly chart with you, right? So this move here is kind of expected for me. As you can see, this gap is just blew right out, and then 3400s just blew out like it's nothing. Excuse me, right? And then uh, the bigger time frame trend line is already broken. So now we have a false breakout with a double top, lower high, all kind of topping signal, right? Um, so be very careful if you're trying to long here. I'm not saying that you can long for a bounce or anything like that, right? You can long as far as I'm concerned. You gotta exit out. But as for long term investment, this is not a good time to bottom fish yet. Okay. All right. So another key to look at is your monthly chart. Monthly chart, right? Monthly chart is still kind of looking like it's parabolic, right? So how do I see? Why do I see that? Because we are away from the we have some distance away from the moving averages. And later on, when I see you show you NQ, you see even more of a parabolic move, and that is just telling you not to bottom fish. The bottom could be very far from here, so just be extra cautious. All right, and in this market, it's you I would say I would lean mostly on the bearish trade, and if you do long trade, make sure you cover with the cover calls or just exit out with speed, right? So that would be the strategy for the upcoming weeks. All right. Um, Now, on the technical side, right, I think we are really damaged, and there's nothing good that I can comment on this market, right? Major downtrend, short on any pops. So on a day trade kind of perspective, um, right? So we are in this down channels, waterfalls, obviously. So we will look for resistance to short. Personally, I have set multiple indicators, not indicators. I have set multiple levels. So the first level I watch for will be 3300s, the round numbers. Now there's a possibility that can go higher, so make sure you wait and not just short when it touches the resistance. So you gotta wait for that bearish candlesticks. And I'm not gonna cover what candlesticks and what kind of top patterns that I will look for in intraday, but that's just a general guideline. All right, that will be your ES analysis. So NQ, right? NQ, same kind of thing. The only thing I want to show you is Monday chart. Look at this. It's a super parabolic, super bearish candlesticks confirming each other's. So first level to look for, obviously this upper triangle here. You might get a second bounce after it touches, which is right around 11,000 area. I would say 11,000 areas. So I think we're gonna get there. With tomorrow we have so many big earnings coming out, we might get some opportunity to short the pops. Say they have some good earnings and then they just pull the market up after market, and I think that would be a good opportunities to short the highs. So I'll pay attention to that. A big level to watch, I would say somewhere around here, around 11,386, 368, 11,488. They are all good areas to short. All right, so look for any bounce up and then any reversals that could potentially happen at any of these big levels. All right, so that's it for NQ. So let's look at the GC. Right, GC also have a big down day. GC is your gold future contract tracking gold. So a few days ago, I did try long around here, and then obviously it got stopped out. So now this intermediate uptrend has been broken. So what I'll be looking at will be an ABC pattern down. So this measure move coming down here around this area could be a very good support. So from before we get there, I will maintain bearish positions, not positions, but bearish view on precious metals. Okay, so I know a lot of people are bullish on gold, and so am I. But at this level, with this technicals being damaged like this is not a good time to go long. So I will also look for a pullback up around 1900s area, 1894 area to get short. Okay, so that is the plan. As you can see, I just set the alert. So we will see how the price actions behave around those levels. Okay, so I think that's pretty good for tonight. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below and let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help you. So have a good night.